That's a good name. Shopping vacations. That's right. Hello beautiful peacocks. In this video I'm going to take you with me in my summer vacation / shopping. We can call them shopping vacations. That's a good name. Shopping vacations. That's right. Let's begin.
So our first station is my local craft store, and I went there to find some cool stuff for my atelier and some small decorations, just for fun.
Let's walk. Let's go!
I went to my local craft store and I was looking for some special pieces to put on my atelier, but I was finding some really cute stuff like this block. It's very cute and it has frozen on. I mean, come on, this olive, it's so sweet. I love, but I really love those. They are amazing. Very beautiful, but I'm finished with the school, so I don't need them. I lost my sister. Sister! I just found her. This is beautiful. But this is better. Bags. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. I want this and this. Beautiful. Be kind, guys. Actually, I can, yes. Enough dropping, my head is counting. Too many that I can't even count them. I found the best thing ever. It's a peacock. I want this one. I'm getting it. In a Barbie world, like a plastic. It's fantastic. Ice cream. Ice cream! This is so cute! Look at the cuteness! Spider-Man, Spider-Man, so Fredly never put Spider-Man. This is perfect for cosplay. Look at the amount of detail. I have to find small things like this. Perfect. So we did a little trip later that day and we went to another place for the fabric store. This place was actually 2 hours away, but it's worth it. And this sunset also was magnificent. I'm very happy that I saw the sunset that day. The colors, the clouds, everything was magnificent and perfect. So the next morning we went to the fabric store, and let me tell you, the amount of fabric that I had was mind-blowing. The colors, the patterns, and everything was so perfect. I wish I could buy them, all of them, but I couldn't. I have a limited budget and I must stick to the plan. I had no idea what the plan was, but I was like going with the flow and find some fabrics that I was really like this one, but this actually was for couch and it wasn't meant for dresses or something like this. It was really stiff, but those patterns, this cottagecore aesthetic, oh, it's one of my favorites. I just really want this shop to be closer to my town, but it's 2 hours away. But I'm happy that I went there and I have so many options to choose and so many new laces and fabrics. Look at that. Gorgeous. Really good stuff. You know that fabric that they made Aurora? I think I found it. You know that goes like purple, pink and blue at the same time. I think I found it, so let me show you. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. So I saw this fabric and it reminded me the dress that Barbie was wearing in her new movie, but the squares was too small, so I didn't bought it. Please hold that lace on your mind, there is quite a story about it. We went to some other smaller shops, so stay until the end to see what I bought. And after that, we went home. First I have to put the camera. Good.
Those are a lot of fabric and my bag is just like this because I moved, you know, it was with the traveling and stuff. Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna leave you there. Before we begin, I have to show you the most simple things that I bought. It's a long, you know, like paper for the pattern, you can see, and it's, you know, it's a little bit, I don't know how you call this. It's like does this very easy. Anyway, this is what I bought. The first one. I bought this. This is a tool, 20 meters and 1.8 like length. Like taller than me. Yeah, just like my leg. So, and I bought these cute magnets. Here it says I can, I will. Here it says, oh yeah, you can never have too much happy. Yes, this is so cute. Hello, lovely. And this is a wonderful thing, and I want to put them like, oh, this is a mess. I like to put them like there. Don't look at my next project. This is my next project. No, you're not gonna see what I'm making. So, and I bought this one, like, you know, stickers for notes because I'm an extra. Everything around me I want to be colorful and beautiful and with a touch of gold. Now it's my first time filming a video like this, so I don't know how I'm gonna film it, so please stay with me. I'm gonna start with the fabrics, like they are a little bit basic and not very interesting for you, but for me they are so much valuable. So I put them in sections. Here are the, you know, the lot of meters of fabric. Good clothes, they are all good quality here. Here is the, you know, the very basic but very helpful fabrics. It's like linoleum vambaki. I don't know how to call them this in English, so I'm gonna put the translation somewhere right here. I love those kind of materials. It's very friendly to the skin. You can see the good quality here. 1, 2, and 2 whites. Very good quality, but sometimes I bought white fabric to make the mock-ups for the sewing, and they are very helpful. Let's leave those to the side and we'll continue with the good stuff. Here, this is muslin, one of the best materials. This is why I didn't bought a lot. Bought some meters that you can put like a small details or a sleeve or something like here on the top, or some pieces to the skirt. Okay, they had those fabrics to sale, so that mean was less than it should be. So I bought pink, green, the satin. This is so soft, so smooth, the best quality that I found. And next, this is beautiful. Look at these flowers and look at the best part. We have white and we have orange and green at the same time. One of the best fabrics that I've got. The details here are amazing. Look at it. Which one? The green, the orange, or the white? Okay, enough with this. And we have satin again. Oh, this color tells me something. Under the sea, under the sea. The next one is okay. This I got it. You're gonna wonder why you bought this one. I got it for the trim. Yeah, those little gray details and those purple details
I'm just wondering, like, wow, woo. Those t-shirts, that's kind of, you know, drapé, like here in the corners, and that's good. It's time for the fancy fabrics. Let's start with this one. This is probably the most expensive fabric that I bought. Extra fine wool, guys, extra fine wool, Dutch. I paid a lot for this. I don't remember how much, but I paid a lot for this. And I really like the feeling. You can tell when you touch the fabric. And also you see that trim width proves it. So I'm gonna enjoy making this fabric something beautiful. Let's continue with the other one. Here. This is, I can tell, it is a little bit polyester inside because it's a little bit stretchy. But it's a good quality and I plan to do something great.
Bought a lot of this. It's just a white, you know, basic fabric. It's very good for mock-ups. Leave it aside. So the expensive fabric is here. You're gonna say why you bought it. Well, I'm planning to do a vintage dress. So the next one is, this is cute fabric with the beautiful roses on. And now it's time for my biggest treasures, this one. Already started showing this one when I was on vacations. I was planning to do like, like a kimono. It's not done yet. See the light when the sun meets the sea, it calls me. Moana vibes, or Vaiana, where your country, she has a different name. Some countries it's Moana, some countries it's Vaiana, and it was like 4 meters, 5 meters. I am a little bit regret that I bought this blue fabric. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this one. Probably I wasn't thinking. Yeah, it happens sometimes. Yes, I think sometimes everybody has, you know, those days that's like... I just question... Is my brain okay? It's this fabric. I'm gonna bring you up close.
This one. This fabric, it's like black and yeah, obviously you can see it's black. What I'm thinking. Medieval wallpaper. A Dark Academia wallpaper. It's like a witch wallpaper. It looks like a wallpaper now that I'm thinking. Yeah, I just bought a wallpaper. No, sometimes my brain is like, I was on vacation, now I know, but my brain shouldn't be on vacation because I was shopping for fabrics. Okay, I'm gonna show you the masterpiece. Every collection has a masterpiece, and this is my masterpiece. And I bought it. I spent a lot of money on this. A lot of money on this. At the same time, it's gonna make me a lot of money, so we are equal as opposed.
I am so proud for this piece. It's a mint fabric with iridescent rhinestones on.
Gorgeous. Look at how it sparkles. I'm in a fairy tale. This is beautiful. I'm going to cry from happiness. This is like, when you're going to shop fabrics, it's better than you go to shop clothes. I don't know why I get this feeling every time. So that was the video. I hope you like this mini haul vacation stuff. I don't know how to call this video. This is the first time, my atelier is a mess. This is the first time that I'm doing a video like this, but I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. And I hope you have a wonderful day, a creative new year, like the start of the season. And be happy and always try for the best. Don't forget that.
Bye bye, beautiful peacocks.
Also, some of the YouTubers told me to say subscribe to my channel and support me. You can do that if you want. Who is going to clean all of this? Not me. Sister!